morning is, of course, this challenge that we're going through. I know many of you were like me and welcomed the news that we were going to have to go back and wear a mask. That was a bit of unwelcome news. Wasn't something that we were happy to hear. And of course, I'm sure that listening to the news about what's going on in our state particularly, it's just not an easy thing to accept and not something that's encouraging or inspiring. But you know, this isn't my first epidemic I've been through. I've been through something this serious before. And I can tell you that going through that time, that was a difficult time. It was a difficult time. I remember many of my friends in that challenge didn't want to do things to keep them safe because they said, well, it's depriving us of our freedom and it's limiting the life that we want to live. Unfortunately, many of those people didn't survive. They're not here with me. Now, I was listening to a young man on YouTube this week, and I wished I remembered his name, because he had an interesting comment. He said that there are people in history, groups of people. He mentioned the African Americans during Jim Crow, the Jewish people during the Holocaust, the Kurds and the Gypsies right now. He said historically there are groups of people that they're in a situation where they're beset on all sides by enemies, where there doesn't seem to be a good possibility. But he says that they will cling on to an unseen hope. They will cling on to an unseen hope, and they will keep moving forward. And I can tell you that through the AIDS epidemic, that's what happened. That even though we were having friends die left and right, that we clung on. And indeed, we got through that challenge and life got better. It got better. And we were able to accomplish things that we could not even hope for before that challenge. We could not even hope for that we would be able to serve in the military. We could not even hope for that we could have employment rights. We could not even hope for that we would have marriage rights. But those things accomplished, unseen hope became a reality. So what I'm encouraging you to do is first be safe for yourself, but to cling on, to clasp to your heart and soul an unseen hope that this community, this nation, and our world is going to be better for us having gone through this challenge. We're going to become a more loving place, a more generous place. We're going to see a new vision for ourselves that we can't even envision right now. That we're going to move through this and we are going to reach a brighter day. So I'm grateful you're here this morning. Your being here this morning means a great deal to me. And I know that together we're going to create a brighter day. Together we're going to move forward, and we're going to have we're going to join hands, and we're going to be able to know ourselves in brotherhood and sisterhood like never before. It is happening even if we can't see it. This unseen hope spirit is whispering to our hearts and soul, and we're all going to get there, each and every one of us. No, not one shall be missing, Dr. Holmes says. So we're making it happen. This is our truth, and we're going to move towards it.